it's a trans-European language which embraces Germanic, Slavic, Semitic, partly Romanic roots, and idiom, which is very playful, joyous, vibrant, internally diverse, and sexy, and cool, attractive, inviting. So, and Yiddish is a language where the Jew finds themselves as a universal figure, as a symbol, as a controversial symbol of the German, as a controversial symbol of the Pole, as a controversial symbol of the Russian, of the European person. So as both other and the same, right? So it's traumatic. But who said it shouldn't be traumatic? It's traumatic and playful. It's traumatic and optimistic. So, and as in an old Jewish joke about circumcision, to begin with, it's beautiful.